All right, good morning. So, what do we have? So, we have a market that tried to fill this gap a couple times. Both times that we filled this gap was during extended hours overnight, and we never filled it during RTH sessions, which to me it's saying couple things, right? So one is that sellers are doing a crappy job filling this gap. Two is that there's buyers eager to buy every dip. You saw yesterday that we moved up, and I said if we get above 50, we could see a squeeze. We did break 50, but then we couldn't get any traction. So, and then at the end of the day, we saw very strong sellers bringing this back down, closing at the middle of this area. So this was a transition area for me. But now we are starting the third day, plus this session right here, the third day of balancing in this zone. And I had mentioned maybe I think a couple weeks ago that I thought that what was going to happen is that
Crude volume.
we were going to have a gap fill, and then this was going to join this, and it's going to be one big distribution. And it seems like that's about to happen, and it's starting to happen. Why did I say that? Because we had spent a lot of time on this previous distribution, then we broke away. We started balancing here. I thought we were gonna fill this gap. I thought this was gonna be support since it was resistance, so I thought that this was gonna become a big distribution. So maybe that's what's happening, we'll see. But we do see that we have acceptance here now, which
Gold volume.
before we were just transitioning through here. So now we're accepting. If we are accepting and this still stays as the support area, then we are likely to fill this area with volume and then join this and make this a big nice distribution. And so we want to observe where traders are willing to transact. So for now, third day of balance in this area, still got gap fill pending on the downside. We have poor structure everywhere. We have this poor low in the overnight session, poor high yesterday, gap unfilled. So we have plenty of room to move back and forth in this area. So keep pick your spots carefully. Right now we're in the middle, so in the middle it's not a good place to initiate anything. So if anything, wait for this edges to trade back to the middle. And then for a squeeze back to the 20-day point of control, I want to see us trade above 68.60 and hold this above yesterday's high. But for now, this is no trade, no initiation right here. No trade initiation. If anything, longs from here after we fill the gap, and then shorts from up here, either if we fell to hold above yesterday's high or around this previous week's low, which actually this trade just happened right before right this morning. Right here you can see that we bounced right at that previous week's low, and then we came back to the middle. So I would expect this to continue, fill this gap, and then bounce here, or if we fill the gap and we trade here, maybe tag this overnight session that was not tagged during RTH. Let me show it here. Right here. I'm gonna leave this session on so we can see it, but this overnight session was not tagged during the oh, sorry, hold on. My screen got messed up when I changed this. No. What's happening? Wrong chart. Okay, hold on 1 second. I can't find my chart now.
Gold volume.
1 second. Here it is. Okay. So I was saying that this overnight session was not tagged, and I'm looking for maybe tag it again during the RTH session. So, all right. NQ, same structure, but still trading inside the. Hold on 1 second. I gotta say bye to my wife. The NQ, it's similar structure, still trading inside this 3-day balance, but there's a gap fill that's way below here. It fills at 25,296. Crude, I don't know what the hell's going on, but it just broke down to the downside. This is probably a good buy opportunity to go back to the middle, to the monthly VWAP, to the 20-day point of control. And gold finally hit 4,000, traded back to that yearly VWAP, but now it's selling again. So to me, it still has another pending move towards that 4060 resistance that it was tagged once, and then we pulled back, made a higher low. So now I think this is pending this swing high retest. All right. Trump has an announcement at 11, so keep that on your radars.